In January, we did 5.7 million in revenue.
Last month, this single app pulled in over $2 million in revenue. Think about that. An 18-year-old kid is making more in 30 days than most people earn years of hard labor. Today, I'm not just showing you how he did it. I'm reverse engineering the entire business model and building a competitor live. That kid is Zach Yadagari. His app, Cal AI, is currently on track for a $20 million yearly run rate. The secret isn't some complex algorithm. He just solved a massive friction point. People are too lazy to track their food. He turned a tedious 10-minute chore into a 2-second photo. You snap it, the AI logs it, and the money rolls in. That's it. Now you're probably thinking, I can't code and I don't have $100,000 for a dev team? Wrong, meet Emergent. This is an AI engine that allows you to vibe code an entire mobile ecosystem from a single prompt. Most people fail in the app business because they guess. They spend months building something nobody wants. We aren't doing that. We are following a 4-step blueprint to go from an idea to a printing money business. And listen, you can start this entire process for free by using the special link in the description below. Here is the roadmap. Step 1. Market extraction. We aren't inventing the wheel. We are using Emergent to scan current multi-million-dollar apps to find their Achilles heel. We find exactly what users hate about the big players so we can steal their customers. Step 2. The pivot. Once we find the gap, the thing the big guys are too slow or too lazy to fix, we pivot. We pick one specific problem that people are already begging to pay for, but nobody is solving correctly. Step 3. Vibe coding. This is the future. No more coding. No more hiring expensive developers. We simply describe the vibe and the logic of the app in plain English. Emergent then builds the entire front-end, back-end, and design in minutes while we watch. Step 4. Deployment. Finally, we hit generate. The AI hands you the actual file, the APK for Android, or the code for iOS. This isn't a demo. It's a deployable product you can put on your phone or the App Store and start getting downloads immediately. That is the blueprint. Now let's get into step 1, market extraction, and find our gold mine. Most entrepreneurs build things nobody wants. We're doing the opposite. We're finding the market gaps first, then vibe coding the solution.
I am going to use Manus.
Check the link in the description to follow along. Here is the prompt. Research Call AI app and provide a summary of its functionality, analyze user reviews to find the top 5 things users love, their biggest complaint, and any features they wish the app had. While I sit here, the AI is scanning the App Store, Reddit, and Google Play. The scan is done. After processing 500,000 user reviews, the verdict is in users love the speed they want, point and click results, but the flaws are massive. The AI often hallucinates, labeling apples as tikka masala, the billing is a nightmare, and the app freezes constantly. Believe it or not, despite the clunky interface and bugs, this app is pulling in $20 million annually. If you crush the primary pain point, users will forgive a mountain of flaws. However, leaving money on the table is never a good strategy. Here is exactly where the product is failing to meet user expectations. Users need to edit their starting weight. Since that first entry dictates every progress metric, getting it wrong ruins the entire experience. They want to see a history of what they've actually consumed, not just a countdown of remaining calories. Portion control is non-negotiable. If they eat half a meal, they want to log half a meal. Simple as that. Surface-level stats aren't enough. Users are hunting for deep-dive metrics like fiber and sugar content. The speed. Logging shouldn't be a chore. They want one-tap access directly from the lock screen. The trust. No more hide and seek with the bill. Users want transparent pricing before they even hit the sign-up button. The market is wide open. We've seen exactly where the giants are winning, where they're tripping over their own feet, and what users are willing to pay for, even when the product is buggy. This isn't guesswork. It's a roadmap built on raw user data. Time to take it a level deeper. Using this research, give me 7 app concepts that solve the exact same friction points in health and fitness. For every single one, breakdown. 1. The specific problem it solves. 2. The AI engine driving the results. And 3. The exact reason it scales to millions of users. We're going with concrete examples only.
Look at this. Manus AI just dropped 7 app concepts that kill real daily friction. 1 uses your camera to fix your workout form in real time. Another snaps a photo of your fridge to build a meal plan based on what you already have. There's one that flags your habits before they wreck your sleep, like the exact minute to cut the caffeine. Another builds a custom diet and budget based only on what's on sale at your local grocery store. Check this out. All 7 ideas are solid, but I'm doubling down on the one that kills the gap. We saw in Cal AI, everyone asked the same question. What do I cook right now? It's a universal pain point with a high-speed AI solution. Watch this. I'm not coding or designing, I'm just describing the vision. Build a mobile app that turns a messy fridge into a precise meal plan. Users just snap a photo, and the AI instantly identifies every ingredient, cross-checks the remaining calorie budget, and suggests a few perfect fits. If a key ingredient is missing, the app flags it, the design is lean, the UI is clean, and it's ready for a live test right now. That's the vision. Let's see what it can do. Emergent just absolutely crushed the build. 0 to 100 on the front end. Back-end logic, and every core feature all hardwired in one go. I scan the QR code, and boom, our mobile app is officially live on my phone. Nano Banana Pro handled the logo, and Manus built the entire interface. I didn't touch a single line of code, but it looks like a premium studio job. We're talking a slick dark mode, a calorie progress ring, and full automated breakdowns for protein, carbs, and fats. Check this out. This app doesn't just list food, it engineers meal options based on exactly what's sitting in my fridge. Watch the magic happen. I scan the shelves, and the AI instantly maps out what I can cook with the inventory I already have. Look at that. It's suggesting a stacked cheeseburger. Absolute game changer. So where's the finish line? If you're on Android, Emergent literally hands you the APK on a silver platter. You can install it on your device this second or fire it up to the Google Play Store to start stacking downloads immediately. Your business isn't a concept, it's live. On iOS, you just grab the finished code, drop it into your Apple developer account, and hit submit. The heavy lifting, the months of grueling development, is already in the rearview mirror. That's the real disruptor here. Most no-code tools just spit out a hollow web demo. Emergent gives you a deployable, scalable product you can actually monetize. Think about that 18-year-old tech millionaire in the Lambo. He spent a decade grinding through code. You just closed that gap in under 60 minutes. Stop dreaming about the app and start dominating the store. The future isn't built in years anymore. It's built in under an hour. The tools are here, the code is live, and the gap is closed. Now, go get yours. I will see you in the next one.